In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move emails to folders in iCloud Mail. We'll do everything in the web version of iCloud Mail on a computer, so open your browser and go to icloud.com/mail. Sign in to your iCloud account and you'll land in your inbox. Take a moment to notice the layout. Your mailboxes and folders are on the left, your message list is in the center, and the toolbar runs along the top of that list. That toolbar includes the Move button, which looks like a folder icon. To move a single email, click it once to select it. You'll see it highlighted. If you want to move several emails at the same time, hold Command on a Mac or Control on Windows while clicking each message you want to include. This lets you build a selection without opening the emails, which can save a lot of time when you're clearing out your inbox. With your email or email selected, go to the top of the list and click the folder icon, also called the Move button. A menu will appear with your existing folders. Choose the folder where you want those messages to live. If you don't see a suitable folder, you can create a new one right from that menu. Give it a clear, specific name so it's easy to find later, especially if you're building a simple filing system for projects, people, or receipts. After you've picked the destination, click Move. Your selected messages will be placed into that folder right away. On many versions of the iCloud web interface, you can also drag and drop. Select the messages, then click and drag the selection over to a folder in the Mailbox's sidebar on the left. When the folder highlights, release the mouse to move them. If drag and drop isn't available in your current web view, just use the Move button as we did a moment ago. If you'd like iCloud Mail to do some of this work automatically, you can set up mail rules in iCloud Mail settings. Rules can look for details like the sender or subject and move matching messages to a folder as soon as they arrive, which helps keep your inbox tidy without extra clicks. And finally, remember that your folders sync across all devices connected to iCloud Mail. Once you move a message on the web, you'll find it in the same folder on your other devices, so your organization stays consistent everywhere. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective.